Welcome to this channel. Can we talk honestly for a moment? Maybe you feeling confused right now, like your life is going in 10 different directions. One day your head feels heavy, another day your heart feels empty, and your future it feels like a big question. But the crazy part, you are still showing up every day, smiling outside. But the fact, I can sense it because I have been there too. You are not lost and there is nothing wrong with you. You didn't land in this video by accident. Something inside you brought you here. Maybe a quiet feeling that something's not right. You are tired of pretending, smiling outside, but deep down you feel all over the place and don't know what to do next. This channel exists to help you feel grounded, clear, and fully yourself again. You can't live a peaceful life if your mind is always full of stress. And you can't do well in your work if the people around you make you feel tired and low. Here is the truth. Real peace doesn't come from fixing just one part of our life. It comes when you understand that everything is connected. Your thoughts, your daily habits, and your daily energy, and the people in your life, your sense of purpose. If one part of your life in trouble, then the other part of your life suffers. But most people only try to fix what's on the outside, not what's going inside. Here in this channel we do opposite. This channel isn't here to give you more advice. It's here to help you slow down and reflect. This channel is like a mirror for your mind, a quiet space where you can pause, think, and reconnect with yourself. With easy to understand videos on mindset, health, relation, habits. If your heart quietly said, this is the exactly what you needed, don't ignore it. Hit the subscribe button, not just to follow another channel, but to finally feel clear, calm, and like yourself again. If you leave without subscribing the channel, you might miss one space that truly understands what you are carrying inside. Let's grow together.